How to replace your wax guards. If your hearing aid is fully charged and you see green lights across all three, and you put it in your ear and you don't hear anything, you likely need to change the wax guard. To do this, it's the same process for both the Pro and the Oracle 2.0. Your first step is to remove the dome. And underneath, you'll see that white circle. That's the wax guard. On Amazon, you can purchase 1 mm wax guards, and they come packaged something like this. On one side, you'll see the new wax guard, and on the other side, it's just a pointed end. You're going to take the empty side and stick that into the used wax guard. Pull it out. At this point, you can brush this to make sure that there's no debris, and then you'll flip it over, put the new wax guard in, and throw away the used wax guard. Press down just to make sure it's fully inserted, and replace your dome.